How to set WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can set WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. First step that you'll need to take is open up your WhatsApp. So locate your WhatsApp app and then open it up. After you open it up, head over to chat wherever you want. And after you're there, you will need to head over to the camera option. And from here, select an image that you want to set as your profile picture. So you can take a picture as well. I'll just select a picture. And right here on the top, you'll find the HD option. Tap on that and then select HD quality. After you select HD quality, send it. Now the image that you just sent will be in HD quality. What you'll have to do now here is download the image that you just sent in HD. Tap on the three dots on the top right. Then tap on the save button. After you save the image successfully, you can head back to your profile. Tap on the three dots on the top right. Then tap on settings. After you've done that, tap on your name on the top. Then tap on edit button. After you do that, select gallery. And select the image that you just downloaded as an HD. Then you can crop it if you want. Then tap on the done button at the bottom right. Then you've just added your WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality in HD. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.